What's up guys, Sir27 here, and welcome back to another video. And this is a very short one now, where I just want to explain to you what these purple mushrooms here do. Because some of you might be stuck in places where this, where you're trying to get up, but you don't know how, because you can't jump off these mushrooms or get up. So it's very simple, the solution. You can attack up, right and left, but you can also attack down. If you attack down while on top of these things, you will bounce up, as you can see, just like that. And that is it. Thank you for listening to me explain that short thing. Bye.